Hey, welcome to this tutorial. So today we are going to create this responsive navigation bar. So the title will be a responsive navbar, and code for the web. The web. And next we'll go to cdnjs.com. Yeah, here we will search for the font awesome. The first one we'll copy is script tag and we'll paste here in the head. It is actually for font have some icons. So we'll start here a nav with a class of nav, and inside it a nav container, and inside this div nav header div with a class of nav header. Inside the nav header we'll add you can add a picture, a logo. I wanna add a simple logo, h3 tag and 1 btn for the toggle, and nav toggle button with a class of nav toggle, and inside it I'll fa bars. Okay, ul with a class of links, and inside the links you'll li a list item with a anchor tag, and here will be home, and press alt shift and arrow down to copy and paste it. It will be about services and contact. Let's see on the live server. Yeah, you can see it. Why it isn't showing the bars icon? So let's see. Yeah, it's I'll change it to FA times. No, it isn't working. Let's see. I think it's we'll link. Check the link. Here we will copy this latest version and paste it here. We comment out the old one and we paste the new one, a new version. Now let's see. My internet is slow. Sorry for that. Yeah, it's working. So again we will change it to bars. Now it's fine. Now I'm going to set the window side by side. So press window plus left arrow and window plus right arrow. So it will be go to side by side. Okay, so we'll remove that old link, and now after the nav we will add here a hero section. So we'll write here section with a class of hero section. Inside the hero section we'll create a hero content, and inside the hero content we'll add a h1 tag with a class of hero title. We'll write here welcome to our website, and then we'll add one paragraph with a lorem 10 with a 10 words paragraph. Now refresh it. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so let's add file of CSS style.css. Now go back to HTML and link it with the HTML. So here we'll link relation styles used in href style.css. Now it links with our HTML. Here we will style all the element. Its margin will be 0 and its padding also is 0, and box sizing will be border box. List style will be none, and text decoration also it will be none. Okay, so next we will target the body. Here font family will be Helvetica or Arial, and font weight will be 300. Line height will be 1.5, and font size will be 0.875 rem. Okay, now you can see it's cool. Now we will back to HTML. We will target the nav here, the class of nav.nav. Its background color will be hash 0095ff. Okay, you can see, and its box shadow. Let's add just some shadow. 0 will be for the right, and for the bottom will be 5 pixel, and 15 pixel will be blur. RGBA 00, it also be 0, and its alpha channel will be 0.1. Actually a light shadow, we added a light shadow, you can see. Yeah, let's comment out, or yeah, you can see a light shadow here. Let's increase it a little bit, make it 0. Yeah, oh, a 5 will be, yeah, it's too dark. 0.2, yeah, it's right. Its position will be fixed, and top will be 0. Its width will be 100%, and z index will be 1. You can see the hero content is behind the nav, so we will fix it later. You can see if we set -1, it is here. Now we will back it to 1. Okay, we will be center it later. First we wanna style the navigation, so now we will target the nav header. Dot nav header. We will add style to it, or display it will be flex. Actually, inside the nav header, their logo and bars icon. We will add here justify content space between. We will be add a space between them. You can see. Now we will add here align item center. Vertically we will align it to center, and its width will be 100%, and we will give it some padding of 1 rem. Now it's look much better. Okay, so next we are going to target the nav toggle, the button. We are going to target the button. Here I wanna do one more thing. I wanna on the autosave. So go to settings, and here search for the autosave. You can see here it's off. I will set it to after delay. Now it's right. Let's see window plus left. Now we will target here. Yeah, nav toggle. So dot nav toggle. Its font size will be 1.5 rem. Its color will be triple F. It means white, and its background color will be transparent, and its border also it will be none. Now it's look better. Its cursor will be pointer, and we'll add some transition to it. All 0.3 second ease, and now we'll add it some hover effect. So its color will be a triple F 5 cc when we hover on it. Yeah, you can see a little, and we will add it transform scale 1.1 to actually little zoom it. Yeah, it's fine now. So it is mobile first, so that's why we styling it first for the mobile phones. Now we will target the logo, the h3 tag. Its font size will be 1.5 rem, and its color will be white. Yeah, it's right. Now we are going to target the UL links and anchor tags. We'll set its color to white, and its font size will be 1 rem, and text align will be center. And its text transform will be capitalize, and its letter spacing will be 0.1 rem. Yeah, it's better. It will be display block. It's padding vertically it's 0.5 prim, and horizontally it will be 1 rem. Okay, now edit some transition, all 0.3 second, ease in and out. Okay, next we'll edit a hover effect, so links a hover. Here we will edit background color, will be a little bit light blue color, and its color will be this, and its transform will be scale, also it will be 1.1. A little zoom on hover we edit. Its background is yeah, it's too bright, so we will change it to a little dark, a little more. Yeah, it's right, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's much better. Now you can see a little black blur effect on it. When we are hover it, it's going a little bit blur. So how to fix it? So here simply we will add one property that will be will change transform. Okay, now let's see, it's cool. Now it's much better. Also we will add it to the toggle button, nav toggle. So let's add it. We'll change it to transform. Sorry, my internet is slow. Now you can see it's clear. Now it's no space here in the end of the navigation, so we will add it some height. Okay, so we will target the links, actually the UL tag with a class of links. Here we will set it height to 0, and its overflow will be hidden, and its transition will be all 0.3 second, and is in and out. Now we will edit one more file, the script.js. Now link the JS file to our HTML. At the end of the body we will script a source script.js. Now it's linked. Here we will write a const nav toggle equal to document dot query selector, the nav toggle, actually the button, toggle button. Now we will take another const and it will be length equal to document dot query selector. It will be the UL tag that class is length dot length. Okay. Next we'll take the icon equal to document dot query selector nav toggle. Actually the I tag icon we add here the bars icon, so we target that bars. You can see here FA bars. Okay, so let's write here nav toggle dot add event listener. We'll add here a click event, a fate arrow function, and links dot class list dot toggle. It will be show menu. Okay, so now it isn't working, so we are going to style the show menu. Here we will add a dot show menu and the length its height is 0, and here we will set it heights to 11 rem. So now let's click. Yeah, you can see it's perfect. So here we will add one more functionality to the button, that is bars. So if icon dot class list dot contains bars, FA bars, so then we will braces, open the braces here. So icon dot class list dot remove the FA bars. Yeah, we will remove FA bars. If it contains FA bars, we will remove FA bars. And icon dot class list dot add, we will add here FA times. We previously add there times. Now you can see here. Now it's times, so we will write here else. So icon dot class list here dot remove, we'll remove here the FA times and add here icons dot class list dot add, we'll add here FA bars. Okay, so it will be switched back to bars from FA times. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it's fine, it's working. Now we will style the hero section. That will be one image in the background. So background image URL. We have already downloaded this image background.jpg, and we'll set its height to 100 vh view height, so it is now it's showing. And we will set its background size to cover. Now it's right, and also background position will be center, and background repeat will be no repeat. Yeah, it's fine. And now we wanna that hero content the text, we need to center it horizontally and vertically, so it's behind the nav. So right, we will write here display flex, justify content center, and align items center. Now you can see we'll add one more property to it, that will be text align center, actually to center this text. Yeah, it's fine. Now we'll change its color to white, so color will be HFFF, it's white. Okay, but the text it's not very clear on this image, so we'll add some opacity to the image. So background image, we'll write here a linear gradient, RGBA with alpha channel. We'll set it to 0.5 comma and 0 RGBA 0 not dot 0.5. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it's much better now. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's awesome. Now set it back to the side by side. Okay, now next we target the hero content. Dot hero content, we'll add it some padding. The padding will be 2 rem, and next we'll target yeah, hero title. So dot hero title, and we'll set its font size will be 2 rem. Yeah, it's better. Now next we'll design it for a large screen, so at media only screen, and menu width will be 768. Yeah, 768 pixel. Here we will target the, let's go to HTML, the, yeah, nav container. Here you can see nav container, nav container. Now we will set its max width to 1170 pixel. Now it's left side, so we'll we'll set its margin vertically to 0 and horizontally to auto. Now it's center. Okay, so next we'll set it to display flex and justify content will be a space between. So horizontally we add a space between them and vertically we uh, center it. So add a padding of 1 rem. Now it's very big, so we will remove some padding from it later. So now nav toggle will be display none. We remove that button from the large screen. Now let's target the nav header. We added some padding to it. Yeah, nav header, you can see a 1 rem of padding. We added it to in the small screens. Now we'll remove it. We'll set it to padding 0 and now it's fine. Next we'll target logo and its font size will be a little bigger than the previous one. Yeah, it's fine. Next we'll target the links. Currently it's isn't showing, so we'll show it how it will be auto. It will be display flex. Now you can see, but it only we can see 3 links because in the previous small screen sizes we set it to its overflow hidden. That's why we can't see the 4th one. So we'll set here overflow visible. Now you can see that that's it, you can see it. Now let's target the links and anchor tag and remove its padding and also its margin set to 0 for the vertically, and horizontally it will be 0.5 rem. Yeah, it's much better. Now we will remove its background color on hover and scaling and color on hover. So we will set its transform scale. We'll write here 1 instead of 1.1. We set it the previous. Now it's 1 and background color will be transparent. Now it's fine, you can see it's fine. Now let's look at the responsiveness. Yeah, for the large screen and for the small screens. Yeah, that's fine. So thanks for watching and hopefully we will meet in the next video.